Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YUMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support going forward, meaning, or would be what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above 17 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 17, I'm not saying the entire chart is broken or destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above the 17-cent mark, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 17 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, they made themselves pretty apparent during the latter hours of the day, right up there at 21 cents. So 21 is going to be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very powerful move. And, really resistance levels don't matter. And I say that because as long as the price continues to do what it's been doing over the past several days, that being, building these higher bases, if you picture these as stair steps, then yeah, as long as these stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So just focus on healthy consolidations, focus on building those higher lows, and with that, you can just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. But definitely a very nice movement today. We'll see how the rest of this week continues to play out. Still 2 days left. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.